Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's Apple Music.
Did you know you could connect your Apple Music to your Echo devices using Alexa? First, go to your App Store, tap on the search and search Alexa. Make sure to select Amazon Alexa. Tap on Install to install it. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open. Enter your Amazon account's email ID and password, and then tap on Sign In. Alexa app might ask you what's your name. Select it. You could skip these parts or simply complete the setup. In the bottom right corner, tap on More, select Skills and Games, tap on the search field and enter Apple Music. From the results, select Apple Music and then select the Apple Music from here. And now all you got to do is to tap on Enable to use. Then you would get a message saying, do you want to sign in to idmsa.apple.com using your specified Apple ID. Tap on Continue. If you have set up Face ID, then you need to show your face to your front camera and then it would automatically sign you in. Now to be able to link Apple Music to Alexa, you would need to tap on Allow. And here it is. Your Apple Music account has been successfully linked. Now you can test your setup by asking your Echo to play music.
Alexa, play Roy Orbison on Apple Music.
Roy Orbison from Apple Music.
But as you can see, you will need to tell Alexa to play on Apple Music because it's not your default music app. So if you tap on Close, Alexa app would ask you, do you want to choose a default music service? So tap on Visit Music Settings. Here you can change your music default service by tapping on Change and then selecting Apple Music. You could also change the artist and genre default stations by tapping on here and once again select Apple Music. And finally you can set up your default podcasts, but instead of Apple Music you would get Apple Podcasts. Now you can tap on back and you're done. Since now we have set up Apple Music as our default music service, now when you want to play music on Echo, you don't need to say Apple Music anymore. Just say,
Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's Apple Music.
If you found this video helpful, please consider liking or subscribing to help others find this video. You could also find more tutorials in the description.